And just like that, there's the new washing machine.
And boy, it ain't new, but
Well,
new to me.
it's new enough, I guess. I didn't know that Sears only sells used, but factory, whatever, you know, like it gets sent back to the factory, make sure everything works and all that. So this is the brand new one.
The one with the flat bottom, because they have a lot of ones.
They would have hooked it up, but for some reason my stepdad didn't want him to. So, can't use it till he comes home tonight. It looks nice.
Yeah, my other one did too.
Yeah. One of the only ones left that still had a load size option. Weirdly enough. Anyway, this is the inside. All shiny. Looks nice. We're just kind of worried, you know, because of the last one almost burning our house down twice. With the cord melting.
Standing there smelling?
Yeah.
What the heck?
We're, like I said before, we're pretty sure it wasn't the outlet. Because for one...
Even that guy said it sounded like a short in the
Yeah.
washer.
For one, it was a different outlet the first time. Unplugged it and stuff. There was... only the cord had burns and stuff. The inside looked like it was about to, meaning the cord caused it. At least that's what we're assuming. So my stepdad redid it, even moved it to up here. Redid everything. We bought a new wire, plugged it in, and then that wire pretty much like melted all the way through instead of just the prongs. And this was still completely fine. So again, we are pretty sure it was the washing machine. Like the Sears says, it was probably a short somewhere in the washer.
Wow, Thomas.
But of course we're still worried.
If they don't check it when they're doing it, they're gonna have a fire there.
Yeah, I know.
They're just plugging in, okay, let's see what's going on. Well, it seems to work, and then walk away, and then...
Yeah.
Oh, brother.
Well, we told her, but...
Yeah, but she didn't know much about nothing.
They never ask. They never say, well, does it still work? Is something wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Nothing. Because what they usually do is they just take the old one, send it to the factory, have it fixed, and then they sell it. So, I don't know. But, we get a $649 washing machine for $3 something, not including taxes and delivery. Obviously, we had to use a credit card because, you know, we're poor. But at least we got something, huh? It looks shiny. Very shiny. There was one that they had here where this was broken. It was like all broken here. Why is it shaking like that?
Because it's not level yet.
No, the agitator.
Oh, it does that.
Oh. It does?
Yeah, if it doesn't move...
It feels loose.
Oh, you can tighten that up if it...
Oh.
They didn't do that part yet.
Well, yeah. Here's our washer. Guess we'll see. Okay, so it's plugged in. It's working. That's as loud as it goes when it washes.
Oh, we can't wait to let them hear.
This is odd though, like compared to the other washing machine that's like 3 times louder.
Yeah.
This one doesn't really do much at all for washing.
No, it doesn't agitate.
As you can see,
But
it's on heavy. And load size is super. And that's it.
I can't lift it up to look in it because every time I do it stops.
Right. And she even tried it with just 2 shirts and it's just as strong. So it doesn't matter how much clothes you put in there. That's as much as it goes for washing. But, and rinsing.
I'm surprised I got Mickey's t-shirts. Nice.
The spin cycle is the most powerful, and I'll film that once it gets to that. Here we go. It's getting ready for takeoff. I feel like we should do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2. I think I started early. 5, 4, 3, 2. Blast off! There it goes! It makes me want to back away. Really, it makes me want to back away from that thing. It's like, it's gonna keep getting louder and louder until it blows.
Don't go too far because when it lands, that's kind of nice too.
Yeah. There it goes. It's landing. Another safe flight. That's what it sounds like. It sounds like it takes off and then it lands.
Yeah. And in between, it's flying around. It's a jackhammer and a missile all together.
Yeah. I don't know. I can't explain it. That's so weird. Never heard of a washing machine that does that.
Could you imagine the matching dryer? What the hell would that sound like?
But what I don't understand though is it's that powerful on the spin cycle, but yet the washing, it just goes. I don't understand. Makes no sense at all.
I miss my whirlpool. I was 20 years old.
But there is a problem with it. I'm not sure if it's by design for the rinse cycle. But the rinse cycle, it only fills up, even when it's on super, less than halfway, you said?
Yep.
Yeah.
To rinse.
But an actual problem with it is it says pull, where did you see it said pull to start?
Right
Oh, right here.
the big knob, like every watch.
See where it says pull knob to start, push to stop. She pushes it and it keeps going. It will keep going whether it's pushed in or pulled out. And that doesn't make any sense.
No, there's something wrong. Alright.
There's something wrong, but is it dangerous? I don't know. Is that just a, like where it's, slow information to the thing or something? Or is that just not working properly? I don't know.
It has a brain like mine.
Sorry.
Good.
Anyway, I guess today was the washing machine vlog. I don't know how many people are interested in that, but I'm probably the first one to do it.
But that's pretty good. I think it's a good idea to show people the missile, the jackhammer.
Yeah.
So that's a GE. If
Yeah. If you're interested for whatever reason, where did the paper go? Where'd the sticker go that I took off? I put it on your bear.
It should still be there.
It's not. I don't see it. It's not even on the floor. But yeah, it's General Electric. There's the model number, serial number, and stuff for those interested. I don't know why you would be, but the spin cycle though, you almost don't need a dryer, because these clothes are they're only damp. It's like you were in a soft rain and you got inside right away. It's very, 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 like it almost feels dry. It's just slightly damp. These clothes will probably dry hanging up in like 2 or 3 hours. When other washing machines, if you don't have a dryer, I just showed you guys my underwear. But if you don't have a dryer, it'd probably take at least a day.
You don't have a dryer, I feel for you.
Yeah.
So does my neck and my
Well, we don't have a dryer or a dishwasher.
I know. I feel for you.
Or a lawnmower. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.